What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Sandbox, guys. We just added this today to the DCA trading strategy, and it absolutely exploded. So we're sitting at $6. We're up 14.6 on the day. Excuse me. We're sitting at a market cap of 5.64 billion, 24-hour volume, 1.43 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. And you can grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, depending on the level of card that you have. $25 just for signing up through my referral. So let's hop into Sand, guys. So we're here on the 1 hour time frame. As you can see here, we've just absolutely exploded. We broke this major trend line of resistance and we just took off. Look how overbought we are on the 1 hour time frame as well as on the money flow. But of course, as we know with Metaverse, the projects are just absolutely exploding. So we have ran into a level of resistance. So if you did get in around this range, I just added this to our DCA trading strategy today. But if you did get in right around 495, which was the first buy zone, that was a juicy pump. 20% gain. We've come all the way up to our take profit zone at 591. Could definitely hit some resistance at this level. Of course, with these metaverse projects, what they like to do, because there's so much interest, is it just pump, consolidate, and then pump, and then, oh, that's a big pump, consolidate, and then pump. Just as you can see right here, here's a good example. Pump, consolidate, and then another just major pump. Once again, just pumped right up, consolidated, pumped right up again. So we will see those kind of crazy gains with these metaverse projects. But if you did enter around this level, you could look to close, 25 to 50% for a nice 20% profit and just let the rest ride. Incredible how these metaverse projects absolutely just explode. So we broke through this major trend line. Let me jump over to the 4 hour time frame. Close the money flow. Yeah, you can see you just shoot right up into overbought on the 4 hour as well. Extremely volatile coin. So this level of resistance, 591, it also lines up with the Fibonacci extension, the 2 extension. So do keep an eye on that. It could act as a major level of resistance. If we do see continuation here for Sand, 591, 642, 726, and 793 are your next take profit zones. I do think Sand is on its way to the 2.272 extension, which is coming in at about 966. So hopefully you guys were smart and you were loading up on this dip, because you're going to absolutely crush it here with Sandbox. So let's jump over to the daily. We can see here on the daily time frame, wow, look at that green candle, absolutely incredible. You can see here on the daily, we're about to have the bullish cross. We're about to have the bullish cross of the MACD, which is a massive sign of a pump here. If we look at Bitcoin, you can see we broke that double bottom, we back tested, and just as we've been predicting on the channel, we're shooting up and we're testing that level of resistance from our falling wedge, coming in about 51K. So if we break through that, we back test as support, that's a strong signal. You're gonna see your next impulsive wave back to the upside. But we'll cover that more. Usually I cover Bitcoin a lot more in my Matic videos. So you can see here we're starting to push back above the 20 EMA once again. So if we break out, we're going to see a massive move to the upside and a massive alt season. But if we do get rejected and we roll over, then we can come back down to the bottom of the pattern. So crucial times right now for the entire market. But as of right now, Sand just has had an absolutely beautiful breakout. Look at that. It's still pumping. Still pushing upwards, up 16%, absolutely insane. So do watch 242 as your next resistance level. And then if you're looking to dollar cost average into Sand, it might not come back down to 495, but I don't really like to buy it up in these overbought levels. So I'd probably wait for some pullback here. Dollar cost average 495, 444, 411, 319, 247. If it does pump up higher, then I would definitely turn. This was a take profit zone. I'm just gonna put bounce slash buy for now, because if we do continue to push up, then you could use that as a buy zone as well. When it comes back down, you can start dollar cost averaging. But these metaverse projects, they pump like crazy, guys. So hopefully you loaded up on that dip there, or you got in at 495, or even here at 444. So that's basically it for Sand. I'll give some future price targets here just based off Fibonacci. So we have 966. Actually, let me pull it open on this chart here. Let's do some Elliott wave theory here. So we have impulsive wave 1, corrective wave 2. Looks like this could be your impulsive wave 3, and then your corrective wave 4. Not really a major correction here. Impulsive wave 5. Who knows how high this is going to go for sand. Let's target the 2.618 for now, which is coming in at about, let me give it a price target, coming in at about 1834 for Sandbox, but we may see it push much higher. This is a mess. Let me just clean this up. Let me do it on this chart here for Sandbox. So what you would do, you take your Fibonacci. This chart is shit. Give me a good chart, guys. Sand USD. All right, this chart looks better. Just a little bit of patience, guys. Hope you're well. So we take our Fibonacci here from our May swing high, swing low, and we can use our Elliott wave theory from the start of our bull run. Impulsive wave 1, corrective wave 2, impulsive wave 3, corrective wave 4. Wasn't very large correction for a corrective wave 4. Impulsive wave 5, but we may go higher, guys. Let me drop in some more levels here. Give me the 2. So who knows, guys? Maybe we'll see that impulsive wave 5 go all the way up to the 3 extension, which is sitting at about $30. I would have to look at the market cap and the current supply. But we know Metaverse is just absolutely pumping, and it looks like we're going to have an extended bull run. If BTC is going to go to 100, 150K, we're going to see Sandbox go much higher. So we'll put a little price target there at about $30, and then we'll leave one at the 2.618 at $15.94, and one right here at about $8.24. I'd love to know your guys' opinions, what you think Sand is going to reach to on this bull run. I'd be very interested to hear that, guys. So that's basically it for this one. I just added Sand and Decentraland to our DCA charts. So if you want access to these charts at all times, we have many coins. It's the price of a coffee, as well as over 1,000 members talking all things crypto. You can join through the Patreon. All right, guys, much love. Take care.